Are you ready to speak English just in 30 days? You will speak English fluently and make other people dazzle about your English. There is one secret that make you fluent in English language in just 30 days. Are you ready to learn that secret? That is guarantee that if you watch the videos of our program, you will win. You will be confident, you will fluent, you will know each and everything about English. Is there any secret? No, there is no secret. And it's totally wrong concept that you can learn English in 30 days. In English phrase, we say that this thing is too good to be true. It means that if our statement seems perfect, it means that there is problem with that program, and it means that that program, that scheme is lying to you. It's just frustrating because when you can't achieve fluency in just 30 days, you will become frustrated, you will become worried. What has become? Do you have any kind of such plan? No, there is no such timetable, there is no such technique which can be suitable for each and every time, each and every learner. Some learners, if you are a beginner, you can take a longer time, but if you are an intermediate or advanced learner, you will take less time. So instead of using the word fluency, because when we use the word fluency, it means that we have restricted to an endpoint. For example, you have taken the exam and now exam is finished and you receive a certificate. Fluency is just like, no, there is no certificate of fluency, there is no time period of fluency. It varies from person to person. How can you apply it to all the persons? Remember when you were a kid, you first of all you rode the cycle, you stumble, you were uncertain, you made a lot of mistakes, sometimes you fall, sometimes you rise, and gradually you learned how to balance yourself. The exact position of riding the cycle in the childhood is learning English language. The two is same, but one difference is that in learning English language you might not have a helmet. No, I was just kidding. Learning English language and learning how to ride the cycle is the same, because mistakes are inevitable part of English learning. You don't make mistakes, you can't learn, because mistakes is inevitable part of learning any language, either it is English language. You might have heard a fable of a hare and the tortoise. Hare, a rabbit. This is very famous fable. Hare was very much confident that he will win because he is fast, and tortoise is slow, he cannot win. What happens then? The race began. Hare run fast, and at that point he thought that he can win, so he slept. But tortoise did not sleep. On his way, he kept on walking slowly and gradually, and at the end, what happens? You learn. Tortoise wins the game because slow and steady wins the games. If you are slow, if you are steady, if you are dedicated, if you are interested, if you are persistent, you will certainly win this learning English language. Because I am not here to give you this 30 times days plan, because if you say that you can learn English language fluently in 30 days, it will build a pressure on your mind, and if you can't achieve that fluency in 30 days, that is not possible. If you can't achieve that in 30 days, you will face failure and you will say that I have lost my game. So instead of doing this, I am suggesting you some of my suggestions that will be of enough beneficial for you. The first suggestion is that, what is the first suggestion? Try to think it that. Okay, the first suggestion which I am going to share here is that which will help you a lot in your language journey, English language journey. Of course, you are a candidate of learning English language fluently. The first step you have to take is that immersion, total immersion. What is total immersion? Immersion is that if you want to listen something, listen in English. And if you don't have a time, listen to English music, English song for a while. And if you are cooking, let be the star of that cooking and tell your recipe to yourself that I am cooking this, I am adding cheese, now I am adding salt, etc. And if someone else hears you, let them say whatever they want to say. And change the setting of your mobile in English. In this way, you can tune and you can switch your mind to English language. And if you have time, subscribe to my channel and watch the videos of English language learning. In this way, you will find out how different and how bigger is the perspective of English language learning. So this is the exact way, because English language learning is a process. It's a journey. You can't be fluent in English language, but we have to use the word confidence for it. Because when you gain the confidence, you become confident, you learn more and more. So instead of using the word fluency, you should have to use the word confidently. How to learn English language confidently. So this is my tip, and I hope you have understood that to learn English language in 30 days is a illusion, a false dream. So we should not go behind the false dreams, the dazzling dreams, the dazzling advertisements that show that you can learn English language, you can learn each and everything about English language in just 30 days. And when you wake up from your dream, you are just frustrated, you are just worried that what has happened to me? I am not able to speak English fluently. How is it possible? You are shattered, your dreams are shattered. But don't shatter your dream. Be consistent, be determined, fix a schedule time for your learning English. It should not be that I will study for 4 hours. No, you will burn out. You can't sustain 4 hours to learn English language. It should be 15 to 20 minutes daily, but it should be. Because if you dedicate 4 hours daily, you will be annoyed with learning English language. You will just say that I will not learn English language. So your approach should be balanced, your schedule should be balanced, your practice should be balanced, and it should be dedicated, it should be persistent, it should be regular. And first and the last is you have to speak. Yes, you have had knowledge, but you have to translate it through your mouth. Only then you will be able to speak English confidently. So after listening Gul Knowledge Hub, what she is saying, what I am saying, say it in your own words. Speak it through your mouth. Train your mind to switch to English language. Only then you will be a successful English speaker. Thank you so much. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed, stay tuned.